Hey guys, this is Raymond. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Data Analysis Plus for Excel under Windows operating system. So the first step, we need to go to Google and then search Data Analysis Plus. Then we select the first one, carelessstatistic.com. And then you download DAPv9. And save it here, and then extract all. Okay. And then we open Excel file. Okay, here we need to make sure that there is no data analysis function here, or you need to unactivate it. Otherwise, there will be a problem of Data Analysis Plus. So now we need to go to File, then Options, Chart Center Settings, Chart State Locations, and then you see here, User Startup, we double click this one, and then Browse, or you can copy this path and then open this path, okay? Or you can just browse, and then we need to copy this file, the DAP files we just downloaded, and then paste here. Then we quit Excel and reopen it. As you can see, there is add-ins here, and this is DAP. Now, if you want to use data analysis, you can go to File, Options, Add-ins, and activate it. Then we can use data analysis and data analysis plus together. Thank you for watching. See you next video.